Chmelaeon.com here, doing a review and unbagging, apparently, not unboxing, of the UNTUCKit shirts designed to be worn untucked brand. The name says it all. I personally love these shirts. I wear the performance models the most, which are polyester and spandex. They're up here. Very comfortable shirts. They're almost like a very soft material, nylon and spandex. And they also have 100% cotton. And they don't just make shirts, actually. They have a ton of other stuff, including pants, shoes, a few other things. But really, they're known for their shirts because this company, they just figured it out, man. They made a dress shirt. You can still wear it on a formal occasion, but you can really just wear it out and not have to worry about tucking it in, which is why this company is gaining such ground on the internet and why we love wearing them too. I personally wear this shirt a lot. So don't judge this shirt because I already unbagged this one. But we have the Cornerstone in a medium slim, and we also have the Rubicon medium slim. These are 100% cotton models. And this is why they're so awesome. I'm just going to keep the camera this way. The anatomy of an Untuckit. I'm just going to quickly have this on the screen so you can pause it if you want. All right, but I'm going to read through it too, and then I'm going to get to the unboxing, or the unbagging rather. It's the perfect length. It sits right at the zipper, so it's awesome. It's got a contoured hemline, curved to complement our ideal fit and add a level of sophistication to your casual look. The signature sail, which is at the bottom here. You'll see it on their shirts, actually. Let me flip this over. I like the sail. You know why I liked it? Because it's not tacky like most brands. You're not even going to see it as much, unlike other ones that sit right on the chest. Collars, we use world-renowned Frudenberg interlining, so they achieve the optimal shape. Hope I'm saying that correctly. Buttons are attached using a patented sewing thread that locks the button into place. I've noticed that their buttons are, I wouldn't say they're ultra thick, but they're well made. Like, you can feel it when you put them on. And the side seams, we use French seams, the hallmark of a well-made shirt, and you'll see the numbers in correlation to the things below. And the French seam, you'll see on the side of this one. It's very beautiful. Not sure if you can see it. Anyway, awesome shirts. Time to unbag these bad boys. And remember, guys, Amazon link below to buy these. If you are a man that wants to look good without having to go through the hassle of tucking in your dress shirt every day, this is the brand, man. No one else does it like these people. They're awesome. This one's got a French cuff on it. Beautifully made with a nice little blue accent. 100% cotton. Feels soft. For 100% cotton dress shirt. I like that they have these stays in here. Keeps them nice and fresh. I'm gonna hang this one up though. Beautiful shirts, beautiful. And whoop, what's going on here? Is that my brightness? Whoa. We're having a moment. Sorry about that. Okay, I'm gonna have to combine the two videos because I just made another one. Excellent presentation. They also have a couple of physical stores where I actually got these in Oak Brook, Illinois. But they also have a showroom in Soho, and I think they have showrooms in Chicago and New York. But at the time of this video, they might have more stores. But more importantly, you can just get these on the Amazon link below. Love these shirts. Oh my gosh, look at this thing. Look at the detail, you know? Just look at the detail of this stuff. Oh, they have these nice little plastic pins, too. Keeps them nice and fresh. The one above was a showroom model, which is why it didn't come in a bag, but it still came elegantly prepared. Wash. Oh, one more thing. You can wash and tumble dry these. That's another great thing about these. Most dress shirts require a dry cleaning, and who wants to go to the dry cleaners anymore, man? You're paying more to dry clean the shirt than what it's worth over time. Love these things. Look at these tags. Wrinkle-free shirt. Dig it. This is the performance model, just so you know. They have a couple of different models. They have flannels. They have 100% cotton. The performance, in my eyes, is the best. Because I do like cotton, don't get me wrong. But the material on this is just so soft. Baby soft. But they have a bunch of different designs. And that's pretty much it. Love the brand. Love the presentation. Love the little sail, too, on the shirts themselves. They look really good. Pretty much have every design and color you could ever want. So, remember guys, Amazon link below. pick one up today. Try one out. They have a bunch of different colors. And we're going to leave on that note. Chmelaeon.com is... I'll show you the back of these before I go. Chmelaeon.com is out.